Okay, so let's go back to the Dart documentation, and next we have comments and imports. All right, so this is pretty straightforward. Comments are used inside the code to actually explain what you're trying to do in a particular code block or file or for documentation, right? And as far as explaining the code is concerned, it's generally recommended that variable names, function names, etc. should be chosen as in a way, and the code should be written in a way that the logic that is being used in the code follows from the code itself rather than having to explain it. But in case you wanted to add these comments, double slash before a line is how you add a single line comment. Triple slash is used to add documentation related comments where you're actually writing a document around how the function works, right? And if you would want to have multi-line comments, this is how you do it. You put a forward slash followed by an asterisk, and then you put the comment over multiple lines if you want, and then you can end this by putting a star and a forward slash again. And then we come to imports. So imports are used to import APIs defined in other libraries. APIs are basically application programming interfaces. So these are like functionalities that are provided to you by other libraries. So as an example, you could want to use math functions inside your programs. For example, if you wanted to find the cube of a function, cube of a number, you could ideally write a function yourself, multiplying the number by itself 3 times to get the cube, or you could just use a library to square the number, to find the square root of a number, and so on. So all those kind of functions, math functions, would probably be defined in a library like the math library in Dart. If you want to use that, you can import external packages, right, using import package. That basically is those are all the packages that are the non-core libraries, and you would import them like this. You could also import other files by simply writing import and the path to that particular file. Import statements are generally included at the top of your code file in each of the files as needed in each of these files, and this is how you basically import all these different libraries.